On Saturday, May 31st, we held a cane workshop at our gym here in Cranbrook, BC. It was a lot of fun, and I believe the cane is one of the best self-defense tools that an aging person can have on hand whenever they go out in public. Because it is an ambulatory aid, it can be carried just about anywhere. And for people like me with arthritis and back problems that affect my ability to walk because of sciatica, they are an excellent aid to movement. And I use mine almost daily on my walks as my sciatica gets worse the further along my walk I go. Also, in my community, as I've told you before, the deer get aggressive, especially this time of year when they're having fawns. So my cane is excellent for helping me protect my dog against deer that want to stomp them to death. And yeah, it's happened. Dogs have been killed in my community. My dogs have been stomped. So it's not something that is unusual. It is actually quite common. The beauty of a cane is that it's always in hand. When you're walking, you have it in hand. It doesn't have to be drawn. It is always there. It has a lot of reach compared to many other handheld weapons, and with proper training, it can be used in close quarters as well. The cane is something that was very common in the Victorian era, and there were many cane schools, and even in the Olympics, single stick fighting was a part of Olympic fencing up until the late 19th and early 20th century. This is a tradition that goes back many centuries in Western culture, and in Eastern culture there are many different stick styles with weapons the length of a common walking cane. The Boondock Eskrima cane system is very streamlined. It is very combat focused, and it is a system that puts simplicity and aggression first and doesn't do a lot of fancy movements. We want to keep it simple. We want to keep it practical. I will be repeating this program, this weekend workshop, about 2 or 3 times a year, and this is just a precursor to the visit we're having with Master Ziggy of Cane Fighters International this August. This is just some preparation to get us ready for that. If you are interested in combatives and weapons training, please support my Patreon. Thank you. Have a great day.